Hey everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Greeting Farm channel. I've got something really fun and exciting to share with you. I'm not going to take up too much time, and if you hear that noise behind me, it is my puppy, and I'm hoping he won't bark, but he will be doing some crazy stuff behind the scenes. Anyways, let me share with you this exciting kit. I'm just super stoked about this, and I'm so glad that Marie has come out with it. It is a big kit if you can't tell. All the information will be at the end of the video, so please make sure to watch through. This will be a quick video. All right, let's take a look at this big kit. It is a big kit, as I mentioned, and it is called Storybook Collection 1, which means we may get a 2, 3, or 4. I don't know. Let's hope we get it, because I am just excited for this. So basically, this kit is, we have 2 storybooks in this one kit. If you can't already tell what they are, it's Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, and then we have Little Red Riding Hood. You have all the elements to create a really cute scene. And yeah, so let's start looking at each of these stamps in this kit. We have, I believe all of these ones are for Little Red Goldilocks, and I think the rest is Little Red Riding Hood. This lantern may be for Little Red Riding Hood, but it could be used for both. Okay, so we got this big chair, we have the medium chair, and then we have the little baby chair. We've got Goldilocks, and then the 3 Bears, which are so adorable. We've got a table, the 3 porridges, or whatever they were. I forgot to color this and cut it out, but you get the gist. We have the bed, the Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and the Baby Bear's bed. And then down here is Little Red Riding Hood, the fox, her little basket, the hunter, and the grandma. And then we've got some sentiments. Oh my, you're just right. Be our guest. Have a tasty day. What's your story? Hope you feel better. You're golden. And you don't have to even use some of these sentiments just for this set. I mean, you don't even have to use, when you stamp these out and make a card, it's specifically for Goldilocks or Red Riding Hood. This can be like the grandmother in bed can be a card that says, hope you feel better, you know, and be our guest could be anything, the bears, you know, it just, and it will go so well with other Greeting Farm stamp sets we have out there. I just think this is such a cute set. Not only you could use them not for the purpose that they are for, but you can use them with the other stamp sets alone. It doesn't have to be the theme that was created, that Marie created it for. So I really, really love this. And I mean, I'm just thinking now, like with this bed set, you could use our digital stamps that can go with it, like the stay-at-home ones, or build the bedroom ones, and you could just make these into all kinds of scenes and just different purposes for it. I adore it. I love the fact that it is a big kit, and I love the fact that it is the beans. So if you're new to the Green Farm channel, these are not Anya and Ian's, but they're the bean characters. And how you can tell that, if you don't know, is their eyes have stars in it, and they're smaller than the Anya and Ian. So that's how you could tell between Anya and Ian and the bean characters. So I'm just really excited. I can't wait to play. I mean, I got to color with them, but I want to put them together. I may or may not put them together as Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, or Red Riding Hood. I might just do like the Get Well one, or a fairy tale one with these characters. And if we get more, just have a bunch of them, or even do a birthday theme in Goldilocks or Red Riding Hood invitations or cards or whatnot. Just the possibilities are endless. All right, let me go over the pre-order information, because I want to hurry up with this video so I could get it edited and out to you guys tomorrow, which is February 10th, which is the pre-order start date. So February 10th to the 15th is the pre-order window. So please make sure you are ordering today, or when this video comes out, which is February 10th through the 15th, that is your window to pre-order. And I can't stress it enough to please pre-order, because you will be guaranteed a stamp. You will be guaranteed a set with the pre-order price of $42. Now, if you forgot or you want to take your chances and you're taking your, haven't decided and the 15th has lapsed, whatever's left from the pre-order will go into the store. That means it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 5 or 10. And that is the amount we'll have in the store. So you have to act as soon as you see it in the store and buy it. But when you do buy it, it's going to be $50. The pre-order price is $42. The MSRP in the store, when it hits our store, is $50. But you are not guaranteed it until you purchase it. So you're only guaranteed this big kit if you pre-order it. Don't take your chances, guys, because I get so many emails saying, I forgot, I didn't see this. And then you guys miss out on it. Now, if you guys don't see this, I really highly encourage you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this is where I announce these big kits and the pre-order information. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you'll be the first ones to know about this and to see the actual kit. Amy Young, who was our DT, but she stepped away for a bit. I'm hoping she'll come back because her work is out of this world. She has volunteered to help us do some samples, and I will insert it at the end of the video so you can see how she used the kit. And oh my gosh, I wish I had her talent, guys. That alone, you should definitely stay till the end to watch it, because you will have so much inspiration from her cards. Okay, so anyways, once again, let me go over the pre-order information before I end this video. Pre-order date is from the 10th of February to the 15th at the price of $42. Whatever we have left will go into the store at the price of $50. You're not guaranteed you'll get a set because it is first come, first serve basis. The ETA for these kits, late February, early March. All right, so I really hope you guys pre-order this and don't miss out. And I hope you guys are as exciting for this kit as I am. All right, everyone, I will see you in the next video. Make sure to stay tuned, because I'm inserting Amy's samples now.